Alright there guys, I'm just going to do a video. And guys, the owner of the car guy has been complaining. There's a BMW, is a 3 Series. He's been complaining guys that the alternator has been having issues with it. And then guys, so we're gonna test and see alternator, and then guys we're gonna be able to tell if the alternator is having issues or not. So first things first, we start the car, because guys, to test the alternator, the car has to be running. So just come in here and then you just start it up. Alright, so guys, once the car runs up guys, we're gonna need something like this just to test. This is a battery, a load tester. And guys, the load tester guys has something right here which can tell us about the charging system. So normally guys, it's important when you're testing your alternator to make sure the car is running, because that's when we can be able to tell guys the amount of power the alternator is going to be giving us. So guys, we're going to use this front part here. Is a negative terminal right here, and this is the positive. So we're going to take them out, and then we're going to start testing it and see what happens. So guys, when I take this out, when I just put this in like this, so guys, the charging system says this is a 15.5. so guys, when you see on the chart right there, it tells you that this is in the red section. That means guys, the alternator right here guys is pumping too much power. And guys, that's an indication to tell you guys that the alternator is bad. So literally guys, this alternator is overcharging the battery, so eventually it's going to end up to kill the battery, and then the battery is going to die, because guys, it's going to affect a lot of stuff. So guys, today I'm just going to like talk about it just briefly, about how to tell when your alternator is bad. So first things first guys, the work of the alternator is supply power to the battery, but make sure that the power is within a given range. So normally when it is right here guys, when the thing is charging, it should be right around 13.5 to almost 15 to maybe 14.8, somewhere there. So that means the charging system is going to be okay. But if it goes beyond that guys, that means the alternator is bad. Same applies when it's charging less than 13.5 coming to 12. That means the alternator guys will be supplying too low power to the battery and the car system. So literally it's time to change. So guys, the alternator right here is going bad because it's supplying too much power. That means I have to recommend the customer to maybe has to replace the alternator and get a new one. Alright guys, I hope this video really helps you out as you identify the problem with the charging system and how to fix it. Alright, leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and then see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.